It's move month. I am going to be in 3 apartments in the next 20 days. The one I'm in, my boyfriend's for 10 days, and then my final apartment. 5 days after I move out of my boyfriend's apartment, he has to move. And then all of my roommates are currently moving as well, including the one that shares a room with me. It's just move month, and I'm going to be moving a lot of stuff everywhere. And it's gonna be awful and it's gonna be fun. I took everything out from under my bed and reorganized it. I took everything off my desk and reorganized it. My sheets are in the wash, and then everything's consolidated. I decluttered my whole apartment. Then I went through and organized it all. I've been under my bed, I've cleared stuff off my desk. I got out all the boxes for packing my dishes and my plates, and my sheets are in the wash. Everything has to be out of here by the 14th. So I'm gonna try and film as much of it as possible. We're going to be dropping some boxes off at the place where I'm moving and some boxes off where my boyfriend is, and hopefully making it a lot less boxes than it currently is, because right now I have an entire suitcase full of just art stuff from being in the art department, and I know my boyfriend has a whole closet full of art department stuff. So we have a lot of stuff, specifically a lot of heavy art materials. It's gonna be a fun move. He lives up 3 flights of stairs. The next place I live on is 2 flights of stairs. I currently live on the 15th floor, but it has an elevator that everyone else is probably going to be using. Nonetheless, that's how this vlog starts. Let's see how it ends. Alright, so I have begun packing for the move. Tomorrow we are taking a couple of boxes up to my permanent residence. I compressed my boxes, my side table, down into just a few little boxes. I wrapped up all my breakables along with clothes in that box there, and then that box in the distance is the stuff from my table mixed in with clothes that I don't anticipate wearing for the next 10 days. We still have another blue bin and a couple of boxes. Most of the stuff is off my desk. I just have a lot of things on my wall left, and I have my air mattress blown up along with all of my sheets still unpacked because my parents are staying here with me. I have some more things in my room, but that is what I'm going to try to get in the car tomorrow, and then we've rented an SUV for Monday to try to get the rest of it. I still have some things to pack, like that, and some chairs that are in the living room. That chair, my table, all of my plants, and that chair. So as you can see, I'm mostly moved out of my room now. I just have a few odds and ends left to take with me. Today we loaded up a box full of all the boxes that we filled up in the last clip, and then we took them downstairs and loaded them into my boyfriend's father's car and took them all to my new apartment. Everything else that's here is going to come up in a car with us on Monday to go to my boyfriend's apartment, which then 10 days later I will take on the train to my new apartment. See you tomorrow.
So we have almost everything packed up now. Just a little bit left to go. We packed a lot this morning before graduation. We have just a couple of boxes left. A lot of these are empty boxes, so we'll have enough. We just have to pack some dishware, some plates and silverware and whatnot, and put away a few more clothes that I'll be using to wrap stuff. I have everything in the bathroom taken out. We're gonna finish up tomorrow. The biggest couple of questions are how are we going to move these very delicate art sculptures, and how are we going to move all of my plants. Other than that, everything is just about done.
Alright, so that concludes part 1 of the move. Everything is either at my permanent residence or at my boyfriend's place. I've checked completely out of my old apartment, and right now I'm in a hotel room. I'm only going to be here for about another half hour, and then I'm going to go and start living with him. And then in 10 days, you guys will see the second part to this, where I am going to first move all my stuff from his place up to the new place, and then design my new room, which is the thing I'm looking forward to the most. I've graduated from college now. Very official in my flamingo shirt. I walked in a flamingo shirt, and then I forgot to bring a change of clothes for today, so flamingo shirt again today. And that concludes this part of the vlog. I'm sorry this didn't come up on the day it was supposed to. That was the busiest day of the move. I'm also sorry it's a little disjointed. I tried to film when I could, but I wanted to be helpful and not just standing around filming stuff while everyone else was doing my work for me. So, I will see you again next week. Bye bye! Boop!